Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira, mathematics class for third standard. Children, in the previous class we learnt about understand multiplication as repeated addition, identify the sign of multiplication, use multiplication facts in situation. In this class, we will learn about multiplication of two-digit numbers with carry and solve the problems related to daily life from multiplication chapter. Children, before going to our lesson, let us recall some important points of multiplication. Multiplication is a repeated addition. The number which is multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. When two numbers are multiplied, the result obtained is called product. If any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Children, here we should find the product of 12 into 4. Here 12 is multiplicand and 4 is multiplier. Multiplicand is double digit, multiplier is single digit. First we should multiply 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. Next we should multiply 4 and 1. 4 1s are 4. Therefore, the product of 12 into 4 is equals to 48. Next, we should find the product of 91 into 5. First, we should multiply 5 and 1. 5 ones are 5. Next, we should multiply 5 and 9. 5 nines are 45. Therefore, the product of 91 into 5 is equals to 455. Now we should find the product of 74 into 2. First we should multiply 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. Next we should multiply 2 and 7. 7 2s are 14. Therefore the product of 74 into 2 is equals to 148. Children, now we should find the product of 80 into 4. Here, which is the multiplicand? Yes, 80 is the multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. First we should multiply 4 and 0. 4 zeros are 0. Because if any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Next we should multiply 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. Therefore, the product of 80 into 4 is equals to 320. Children, here we should find the product of 26 into 3. Here, which is the multiplicand? Yes, 26 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. First, we should multiply 3 and 6. 3 6s are how much? Yes, 3 6s are 18. Write 8 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Next we should multiply 3 and 2. 3 2s are how much? Yes, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 carry is equals to 7. Write 7 in tens place. Therefore 26 into 3 is equals to 78. See the next question. 38 into 2. First we should multiply 2 and 8. 2 8s are how much? Yes, 2 8s are 16. Write 6 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Next we should multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are how much? Yes, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 carry is equals to 7. Write 7 in tens place. Therefore, the product of 38 into 2 is equals to 76. Children, now we should find the product of 56 into 5. First, we should multiply 5 and 6. 5 6 are how much? Yes, 5 6 are 30. Write 0 in units place and carry 3 to tens place. Next, we should multiply 5 and 5. 5 5s are how much? Yes, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 is equals to 28. Therefore, the product of 56 into 5 is equals to 280. Children, see the next question. 23 into 9. First, we should multiply 9 and 3. 9 threes are how much? Yes, 9 threes are 27. Write 7 in units place and carry 2 to tens place. Next, we should multiply 9 and 2. 9 twos are how much? Yes, 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. Therefore, the product of 23 into 9 is equals to 207. Children, here we should multiply 74 into 6. Here, which is the multiplicand? Yes, 74 is the multiplicand. Which is the multiplier? Yes, 6 is the multiplier. First, which number should we multiply? Yes, we should multiply first 4 and 6. 6 fours are how much? Yes, 6 fours are 24. Write 4 in units place and carry 2 to tens place. Next, we should multiply 6 and 7. 6 sevens are how much? Yes, 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 2 is equals to 44. Write 44 in tens place. Therefore, the product of 74 into 6 is equals to 444. Children, see the next question. 48 into 4. Here, which number should we multiply first? Yes, first we should multiply 4 and 8. 4 eights are how much? Yes, 4 eights are 32. Write 2 in units place and carry 3 to tens place. Next, we should multiply 4 and 4. 4 fours are how much? Yes, 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 3 is equals to 19. Write 19 in tens place. Therefore, the product of 48 into 4 is equals to 192. Children, see the next question. Multiply 32 into 14. Here, multiplier is a double digit number. So, we should multiply unit digit. That is 4. First, we should multiply 4 and 2. 4 twos are 8. Next, we should multiply 4 and 3. 4 threes are how much? Yes, 4 threes are 12. Next, we should multiply tens digit. That is 1. Here we have 2 digit number. So, we will leave 1 place. Now, we should multiply 1 and 2. 1 twos are 2. Remember children, when any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Next, we should multiply 1 and 3. 1 threes are 3. Now, we should add these two numbers. First, we should add units digit. In units place, we have only 8. So, we will write 8. Next, we should add tens digit. They are 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Next, we should add hundreds place digits. That is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So, the product of 32 multiplied by 14 is equals to 448. Children, see the next question. 60 multiplied by 15. Here also multiplier is a double digit number. First, we should multiply units digit. That is 5. First, we should multiply 5 and 0. 5 zeros are 0. Because when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Next, we should multiply 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30. Here we have 2 digit number. So, we will leave 1 place. Next, we should multiply tens digit. That is 1. 1 into 0 is equals to 0. Next, we should multiply 1 and 6. 1 6 is 6. Now we should add these two numbers. First we should add units place digits. In units place we have only 0. So we will write 0 in units place. Next we should add tens place digits. They are 0 and 0. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Next we should add hundreds place digits. They are 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Write 9 in hundreds place. Therefore, the product of 60 into 15 is equals to 900. Children, see the next question. 85 multiplied by 10. Children, in this question we have multiplier is a double digit number. So we should multiply units place digits. In units place we have 0. First we should multiply 0 into 5. 0 5 is a 0. Next we should multiply 0 and 8. 0 8 is a 0. Here we have two digit number. So we will leave one place. Next we should multiply tens digit. That is 1. Now we should multiply 1 and 5. 1 5 is a 5. Next we should multiply 1 and 8. 1 8 is a 8. Now we should add these two numbers. First we should add units digit. In units place we have only 0. So we will write 0 in units place. Next we should add tens place digits. They are 0 and 5. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Next we should add hundreds place digits. Here we have only 8. So we will write 8. Therefore, the product of 85 into 10 is equals to 850. Children, see this question. A school bus carry 30 students per trip. How many students can be carried in 3 trips? Here, which is the multiplicand? Yes, number of students is there, no? That is multiplicand. How many students are there? 30 students. So 30 is the multiplicand. How many trips did the bus go? Yes, 3 trips. That is the multiplier. Now we should find out how many students can be carried in 3 trips. Now we should multiply 30 into 3. First we should multiply 3 and 0. 3 zeros are 0. Next we should multiply 3 and 3. 3 threes are how much? Yes, 3 threes are 9. Therefore 30 into 3 is equals to 90. Therefore 90 students carried in 3 trips. Children, see this question. A flower has 5 petals. There are 25 flowers in a vase. How many petals are there in all? First we should write number of flowers in a vase. How many flowers are there in a vase? Yes, 25 flowers are there in a vase. Next we should write number of petals in a flower. How many petals are there in a flower? Yes, 5 petals are there in a flower. Now we should find out total number of petals in 25 flowers. Here 25 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier. First we should multiply 5 and 5. 5 5 is how much? Yes, 5 5 is 25. Write 5 in units place and 2 carry in tens place. Next we should multiply 5 and 2. 5 2 is how much? Yes, 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Write 12 in tens place. Therefore 25 into 5 is equals to 125. Total number of petals in 25 flowers are 125. Children, see this question. 52 roses are required to make a garland. How many roses are required to make 15 garlands? Children, First here we should write number of roses required to make one garland. How many roses are required to make one garland? Yes, 52 roses are required. Next we should write number of garlands to make. How many garlands to make? Yes, 15 garlands. Now we should find out total number of roses required to make 15 garlands. Here multiplicand is 52 and multiplier is 15. Here multiplier is a double digit number. So first we should multiply units place digit, that is 5. First we should multiply 5 and 2. 5 twos are how much? Yes, 5 twos are 10. Write 0 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Next we should multiply 5 and 5. 5 fives are how much? Yes, 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. Here we have double digit number. So we will leave one place. Next we should multiply 1 and 2. 1 twos are how much? Yes, 1 twos are 2. So we will write 2 below the 6. Next we should multiply 1 and 5. 1 fives are how much? Yes, 1 fives are 5. So we will write 5 below the 2. Next we should add these two numbers. First we should add unit place digits. Here only 0 is there. So we will write 0 in units place. Next we should add tens place digits. The tens place digits are 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Write 8 in tens place. Next we should add 100 place digits. They are 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Therefore 52 into 15 is equals to 780. Therefore 780 flowers are required to make 15 garlands. Children, do this homework. Find the product of 82 into 4, 91 multiplied by 5, 74 multiplied by 6, 26 multiplied by 8, 55 multiplied by 11, 41 multiplied by 22, and complete the table.